Welcome back everyone, Mudford here. I'm out in the shop working on a 3800 supercharged engine. This is just a temporary engine that we're throwing into the sleeper Regal GS. We have a spun bearing in the one we have. We are going to throw this in, and I'm switching over my 1.9 rocker arms to this engine. And this engine has more miles on it than the one that we broke. We threw in the ZZP 90-pound valve springs along with their modified steel or whatever they call it. They were only $10 more for these ones that are supposed to be stronger. These are retainer plates. So I went ahead and done 4 on this side, and you can see I'm doing it with the motor still together. So the goal is just to throw these on. I'm going to throw my other rocker arms on for my other engine, and we're going to throw this engine in. So what I have here is a leak down tester. So I'm just going to go ahead and screw this into the spark plug hole. Okay, I've got that tool threaded into the spark plug hole. Now I'm just going to hook up my air. Okay, it's leaking a little bit. I think we got a little bit of carbon buildup on these valves. Okay, just use my rocker arm bolt to thread my little homemade tool on here. You just gotta be able to, a longer handle would be ideal. For some reason I stole this for some other project, but it still works. So I just need to push down on here, and then I'll pull the keepers out. Once you pull the keepers up, you can take the tension off. The spring comes right out. We got our new spring with the new retainer ready to go back in, so we'll set it on here. Now we'll just pop the little retainer clips in, cut them back in. That's literally all there is to it. We're ready to move on to the intake side, so we'll move this tool over while we still have air on this cylinder. And there we go, we've got this side all done. All 6 springs replaced. We just gotta switch over to the other side now, and we'll get this job done. This is an easy way to change out your valve springs without disassembling your motor too far. Hope this helps you out.